If you are trying to run the ArchInstall script and get hit with ModuleNotFoundError or no module named ArchInstall, it's frustrating, but the good news is it's actually a very easy fix. By default, Arch comes with the ArchInstall script pre-installed. To install Arch, usually you just type ArchInstall and press enter. But instead of the installer, you end up seeing this message. So why does this happen? In most cases, the Arch ISO you are using is slightly out of the date, or the Python environment did not initialize the module correctly. Now let's go ahead and fix this issue. First, make sure you have an active internet connection. Now update the pacman database and refresh your keys by running these commands and pressing enter. This ensures everything is up to date. After that, install or update ArchInstall using pacman. This upgrades the existing version to the latest one, and in most cases, it fixes the module error. Now let's see if it works. I'm going to run ArchInstall again. If the issue is still there and hasn't been resolved, don't worry. Let's move on to step number 2, which works 100% of the time. Now first, uninstall the existing ArchInstall package by running this command. Now go ahead and run this command to install Git. Now clone the official ArchInstall repository from GitHub. And cd into the cloned directory. Next, run the Python command and make sure to include the $sign and ampersand at the end. This loads ArchInstall directly from the cloned repository and bypasses the broken module. And voila, as you can see, it works perfectly. Now we are using the latest ArchInstall script. The menu loads correctly and you are ready to continue with your installation. And that's how you fix this issue. If this saved your Arch installation, hit that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm to show this video to many other people who are stuck on the same screen. And that's pretty much it. Let me know what do you think about this in the comment section down below. If you have any questions or queries, do post them. Thank you so much for watching. This is been KS Kirayo. I will see you in the next one.